Are you ready to take a look back in time? Stay tuned. I'm going to take you on a historic home tour in Dallas. Stay tuned. Okay, I'm super excited to take you guys on a historic home tour. This is the first time I've showed you guys some historic homes, so I would love to get some commentary. Let me know if you like these homes. I find them really interesting because a lot of these homes I'm showing you in Dallas tend to be newer. Both of these homes are over 100 years old. So the first one we're going to see is 4907 Gaston. That is in Munger Place. It is 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 1/2 bath. It is listed by Alibeth Allman's agent, Chelsea Page. And that one, what makes that one very special, it does have a detached, I think they call it a detached dwelling, but I mean, it's an apartment. It's fully built out. It's got a kitchen. It has a spiral staircase. There's hookups for laundry. They've got a TV in there. The spiral staircase, obviously a bathroom. Spiral staircase goes up to the bedroom. There's a wraparound balcony. It's just really, really unique. And for those of you that are familiar with Old East Dallas, that was pretty common, that they had either a small studio above the garage that was detached or a small detached dwelling on the property. But it's really cool, and you get some rental income if you want to purchase that home. So that one's really special. These are both Craftsman-style. 4907 Gaston was built in 1920. So 104 years old. I think that one's just very pretty. It's been updated, but it still has a lot of great features. The next one we're going to see is 4716 Junius Street. This one is a little under 2,100 square feet. It's, I think, 2,097 square feet, 3-bedroom, 3-bath. What makes this one so special? It has shiplap ceilings. It's really, really cute. A little bit smaller, obviously, on the square footage, but I think it's very unique. Again, this one was built in 1915, also Craftsman style. This one is listed by Creekview Realty, and the agent is John Krell. So both of these are really unique. Let me know your thoughts. Do you love them? Do you hate them? What do you like about them? What do you like about the neighborhoods? It is closer to downtown, and it's also very close to Baylor Hospital, so you'd be really close to some great healthcare there. Kendall Travis with Dave Perry Miller Real Estate. I would love to represent you as the buyer's agent if you're interested in either one of these, or if you have any questions, feel free to comment, give me a call. I'm always around. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Okay, so I forgot to tell you, the price for 4907 Gaston is 1.375, and the pricing for 4716 Junius Street is $699. So two different price points. Obviously, one is 4,000 square feet, one's 2,000, but you kind of get both ends of the spectrum. Tell me which one you like. Comment below. Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know. Do you guys want to see some more old homes in Dallas? There's tons of old homes, and we could go on a whole historic tour, which would be super fun. So see you in the next video.